Hey everyone, my name is Mike Darling. I'm the manager of marketing here at RingLeader, and this is going to be a training session to go over how to use our brand new module that we've put into the partner portal, which is our co-branded email marketing module. So to get started, you simply just log into the portal where I'm at right now. So you'll see the dashboard on my screen. From here, you just go to Marketing Tools, scroll down to co-branded emails. We're going to click on that. Great, so here's the module to launch a co-branded email campaign. So essentially what this is that we have loaded up a bunch of pre-made campaigns already filled out with sales information and marketing information included on them. And you'll see them here below. Now what we allow you to do is actually just put your logo and your contact information on these pre-made emails so you can actually send them out to a list that you upload right here on the portal itself. So it's really easy. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. First, the module asks you how you'd like to execute this email. So you can either use our own partner portal, so this module here to send out the email itself, or if you have your own account on Constant Contact or MailChimp, you can actually go through this entire process and download an HTML file and then upload it to your own MailChimp account, the Constant Contact account, and then send it from there. So for this example, we're just going to use the partner portal module that we're using right now. So we're going to click the first button here. Next, it says select an email to send. So here's the emails that we have preloaded. Now I'm going to click on some of them and show you, to give you an idea of what they look like. Here's one that pushes our failover service. This one over here pushes an overview of all of our RingLeader products. So just go through and find out which one makes the most sense for your audience or for whatever it is that you're promoting at the moment, and go ahead and select the one that you want to use. For this example, I'm just going to use this failover email. Now right here, these 4 boxes are actually going to be for us here at RingLeader. You have to put in your information, and we're going to see it on our end that you're putting in a request for a co-branded email. I have here loaded up. This is a test campaign. So I have test in front of my name, my last name, my email address, and my company name. I'm just going to put here test RingLeader. Next, these 6 boxes here, 7 boxes, are used to actually put your contact information on the email itself. So this information will actually appear on the email. So however you want your name to appear on the email itself, input it into this box. Now you'll go down here and choose a logo to upload. Now distribution list. So this can be either an Excel document or a CSV file. I'm going to click that file and upload it. Now in the comment section here, just give us an idea about what this request is. So as an example, I'm going to say this is an email blast to 500 people for failover products. You can include additional information if you have it, such as this audience is predominantly located in the Northeast USA region. This audience is comprised of ShoreTel users. And it just gives us a better understanding of the request. So after that, you're going to go ahead and click the submit button right here. Since this is an example, I don't want to hit the submit button and have it go through our system, but I'm going to show you if you did hit submit, what it would look like. So you'll get an email that looks exactly like the draft that you saw in the portal, and it actually has my company down here that I loaded up for this example, with my website, my phone number, and put your email address in here, and then here's the custom logo that I've uploaded. So this is actually what your audience will see for themselves. After that, in about 48 hours or so, we're going to go ahead and send you over a link to view your email report so you can look at stats on your email and see how it's performing. And we're happy to give you some feedback on how you can improve your stats and how it stacks up against other co-branded emails that we normally see sent out. But this is what it's going to look like. You're going to get a URL, and it's going to take you to a page like this, and it has the email that you're looking at. So this is one of ours that I'm showing you. What launch it's from. Here's the subject. Here's who it's from. Here's who it's last launched by. Your contact information will be in there. So then it says here are the metrics. So it has a 9.5% open rate, 0.5% bounce rate, and a 0.5% click rate. 0.4% of the audience that I sent it to unsubscribed from the list, and 0.4 said do not email as a reason for their unsubscribe. So going down into the more detailed metrics, you'll see that we sent it to 570 people, 3 of them bounced, and it just continues to break it down into a smaller and smaller subset of data. Under the Opens tab here, you'll see some information about how quickly it was opened, what email client was used, and what email client, like smartphone or personal computer, was used to open it. And then if you have any URLs in the emails itself, they'll show up here under click-throughs as well. So that's the stats that you'll have there. And if you have any questions about how to read these stats or have any trouble accessing them, feel free to give our partner line a call or send us an email at partners.ringleader.co, and we'll be happy to help you out with that. So that takes care of how to use this co-branded marketing module for co-branded emails. If you do have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to send us an email or reach out to us, and I'll be happy to do some personalized training with you. But it's a very simple tool. We think it can help you increase your brand awareness with your own audience and also help you close some deals that you might be working on. Thanks, and have a great one.